The new BISSELL Air series of purifiers, the Air 220 and the Air 320, are not only stunning to look at, but they purify the air in your home, removing pollen, dust, pet hair, dander, smoke, and odours. The smaller of the two, the Air 220, is a sleek addition to rooms of about 27 square metres in size, making it great for compact apartments, bedrooms, home offices, and dining rooms. While the beautiful Air 320 is your go-to for the larger rooms of about 33 square metres, like living areas, lounge rooms, and larger bedrooms. Both units feature a 3-stage filtration system, a fabric pre-filter, which on the Air 320 is washable, a HEPA filter to trap 99.97% of particles 0.3 microns or smaller, and an activated carbon filter for removing odours and VOCs. Each purifier has 5 fan speeds and BISSELL's patented Circulate system, which automatically monitors the air quality in your home and adjusts the fan speed accordingly. They will both also provide colour-coded visual feedback to you in real time. The Air 320 includes the addition of the numerical PM25 reading for accurate indoor air quality feedback down to the particle. And it's a small thing, but each machine will automatically dim its display when it gets dark. And they feature cord storage, so no more ugly power cables hanging all over the place. That's the BISSELL Air series of purifiers, available now at bissellshop.com.au.